Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to talk about this n8n, the buzzword that I have been hearing around in the AI world, but I haven't got a chance to actually work on it. Thankfully, from the teacher or guru Atul Kahate, I have learned about how to use n8n. It's very simple. Maybe you can just log in using app.n8n.io. Then you will be able to see. You can just log in with any of the email like Gmail and other things. You don't have to pay. No need of card and other things. So here I'm just trying it out by just created this demo. So here I'm just creating a chat message, and then I can what has to happen after a chat message is received. I'm adding a agent, AI agent. Within the AI agent, I'm trying to connect it with the chat model. What n8n does is it creates or automates the workflow. So maybe you have some of you would have worked in workflows in the past, like Camunda workflow or BPMN workflows, like Oracle had a BPMN, and then I have also worked on Netflix conductor, another workflow. So similar kind of workflows can be automated, and it will become very useful. So here what I'm doing is I have used my OpenAI API key to connect to OpenAI, and then I'm using that chat model to receive the chat whenever a chat is triggered. So what this workflow is doing is, it whenever chat is triggered, it is going and getting the chat message and then running it on the OpenAI platform in the chat model. After that, I am storing the chat messages in a simple memory, five past messages I'm storing, and then in the tools I'm adding a Wikipedia also. So there can be companies that have their own Confluence and other in-memory database files that they can connect it as well. So here I'm just connecting it to the open Wikipedia. So here right now I'm asking a question: who is Pawan Kalyan? If we can try to search any prominent figures, then yeah, it'll give you the answer from OpenAI, and then that response, it because I've used the tool Wikipedia, it gave me the response by connecting it to Wikipedia and searching in Wikipedia, and then giving the response of the question that was the chat that was asked. So another interesting thing that was showcased is, we can do a lot more things. So we can add one AI agent, we can add multiple AI agents, or what I'm trying to do here is I'm adding another thing called sentiment analysis. So whatever is the chat that was asked, what was the sentiment of that chat. So I'm taking the output of the previous node, and I'm giving that as the input for this sentiment analysis node. So after saving this, so yeah, you cannot directly execute. Even for this, it needs a chat model. So the UI is very powerful, and it looks very intuitive. So I recommend all of you to try this right away. I have tried right away after going through the recording of the Edureka course, and that's when I started recording, because I myself may forget if I don't apply the knowledge I just learned. So in the sentiment analysis, yeah, if you just run it, the previous step, so it showed, okay, the response kind of positive. So on the question, like who is Pawan Kalyan, whatever was the output, the sentiment is looking positive. So maybe now I will ask a follow-up question. So remember, I can store some 5 messages. So right now the chat message already has something about Pawan Kalyan. So I'm asking, like, how is he doing in politics. So that's my follow-up question or follow-up chat, and then it goes through OpenAI chat model. It will use the tool Wikipedia if required, or it may not use Wikipedia if it does. If we're not specifically asking it, the autonomous agents, their job is to use tool or not. So here you see the sentiment as positive. Thank you.